Hey everybody, the last time we were in the desert we had a little bit of a problem with our COOT machine. We broke down. So what we're going to do is we got our carb kit here and our float bowl, and we're going to change it out. All right, gonna go get some tools. We'll be right back. Hey everybody, we're back. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take this carburetor off. So in just a couple seconds, we'll get the camera down there and you'll be able to see what's going on. Thanks. Hey guys, here we are back here. Gonna try to get this fuel line off. I know you guys can't see it kind of from that side, but carburetor. Come on. There we go. Get these bolts loose. There we go. All right, we're going to pull this air filter hose off. There we go. And we're going to get down here. We're going to get this bolt started. There we go. Get that one started. And then we got another one over here on the other side. We're going to get started. They fit the old COOT. They don't have a lot of room to work on, but that's okay, because I love the old COOT. And pretty soon, hopefully, we'll be running. So as soon as I get this carburetor off, we'll get back to you. I'll catch you guys later. Hey, we're back. Got the carburetor off. Gonna give you a little look at what's going on. I think our carburetor body looks like it's in fairly good shape. So anyway, we're gonna take this float bowl off because I just gunked it, and I know it's got some water and stuff in there maybe. Oh, a little gasoline. Oh, looks like it's a little rusty. I think we're gonna, hopefully our float bowl doesn't have anything in it, like fluid. Nope. I think we're good. Yahoo. But I'm gonna have to make sure that we get a new one of these because I think we wore it out. And we'll take a few other things apart, and we'll get back to you. I'm sure you guys be bored, but we're gonna get it stripped down here and see what we're dealing with, and we'll get back to you. Guys, we're getting ready to install the carburetor. So we're just gonna peel our tape off that kept our gasket on. Yeah. It'll drop everything. And come on. Come on. There we go. Okay. Kind of a tight fit. Can't really see very well. Oh, there we go. Oh man, I'm doing well here. For one, I can't see. Dang, dropped it right on the ground. Let's try this again. Oh, there we go. Come on. Neat. Oh man. Okay. Get the other bolt in there real quick and we'll get it tightened up and see if we can get a fuel tank hooked up. So see you guys in a minute. Oh, we've got the spark plug out. We're going to crank it over here and see if we get a spark. I don't know if you guys will be able to see it or not. Oh yeah, we got spark. We got good spark. All right. We know we got good spark. We must have a fuel problem. So I say we put the plug back in. And I'll go grab us a wrench. We'll take that float ball off. And I'll see if that carburetor's got fuel in it. So, we'll be back. Hey guys, finally got that carburetor rebuilt and I'm going to do a start on it. But I thought I'd show you kind of what we had to do. I took the carburetor apart and I put it back on. And, you know, it just didn't seem like it ran right. So I thought that this tubing was good enough for the air intake, but it wasn't. So what we did is we went with the PVC, black PVC in the boot here. And I think it runs great. You know, we're going to start it here and see what it does. You know, cold start's been sitting in the garage for a little bit. So let's see what happens. Set the choke. Get ready to turn that key. Almost, huh? Dang it. Gotta put the camera down here in the bottom. Hang on. Okay. I get a little gas. I'll get back with you and we'll drive it out and take it for a rip in the backyard. All right, we're back. We're running. We're going to back it out and try to drive it in the backyard. the hill somewhere.